but she was wrong. I was caller number 5 on the radio station, won a 4-day, 3-night beach vacation, deep sea scene.